Welcome to our new video. Jimin transforms his body in only 4 months and armies are shocked at his results. Jimin recently showed off his latest body transformation and nobody was ready for his new muscular physique. Previously, during BTS 2021 Mr. Suguzo online fan meeting in June, Jimin rocked a sleeveless shirt and revealed his slender yet toned arms. Ever since this day, Jimin became more vocal about his love for working out, and by the time BTS Permission to Dance on Stage online concert rolled around in October, it was clear he gained a ton of muscles. From the moment BTS came on stage, it was clear that Jimin's hard work has been paying off. His transformation shows that he gained some healthy habits. As a bonus, it's eye candy for armies. Some fans are noting how Jimin seemed to have gained his muscles back that he had during BTS debut era. Fans can definitely get used to this view. As long as Jimin is feeling confident and healthy, that's all that truly matters to armies. Jungkook's under-the-table advertising case closes without investigation. The Fair Trade Commission confirmed that they decided not to conduct any investigation for complaint regarding his under-the-table allegations. There were total 2 complaints filed to the Fair Trade Commission, one being for mentioning a tea brand during a live broadcast and one about his exposing clothing from his brother's clothing brand. In response to complaints that Jungkook intentionally exposed the clothing of his brother's brand, the Fair Trade Commission revealed, in order to have economic consideration, the content should have an impact on others, so samples and souvenirs given to unspecified people are not included in this category, and paid advertisements, etc. If the content is created voluntarily by the individual, then it does not pose any problem. In the case of Jungkook, they added that it was difficult to determine whether the exposure of the brand's clothing through various media was caused by the advertiser or done voluntarily. Regarding the complaint about promoting a tea brand, they confirmed that although he mentioned that he was drinking a tea on a live broadcast, it is difficult to see that it is a promotional purposes because the company name and trademark was not mentioned. According to the FTC, they decided to close the complaint after clarifying that there was no request for advertisement from the brands. On the other hand, person A who filed the complaint stated, "I filed a complaint because I thought it was unfair," but the agency continued to remain silent, giving fans no choice but to be angry about the serious situation. Thank you so very much for watching this video.